Okay, video vlog check everybody. As we are here sa Honor Store in SM City, Bacoor. May store nila dito. Lagi tayo nag-feature ng mga phones dito. Dito nag-viral yung Honor X9B. Ay kasama ko. Siya yung kasama ko. Papaviral ba natin to? Mahirap ibenta to. So, I have here on my hand, it's the In the Flesh sa wilderness ng Cyber Zone yung SM Bacoor. Actually, first ko ito nakita sa mga Facebook post ng mga taga-Honor Philippines. Yan sina Jet, sina Stephen, sina Riel, at maraming pang iba pa. At nag-reflex sila at nag-photoshoot pa using the Honor Magic 6 Pro. At eto yon, hawak-hawak ko na. Napaka-upgrade na yung kanyang Honor Falcon camera at yung kanyang telephoto camera, which is much more improved. It's one of the best phone. Actually, the Magic 5 Pro is one of the best for me. I want to try all of my gadgets to own one. But syempre, Magic 6 Pro na, and it's getting better. Marami tong awards na. Marami tong award. This is not a dummy unit. This is a live unit. Nagpaalam tayo sa Honor Store dito. Sabi ko, gusto ko siyang ma-hands-on na at ma-testing kasi launching nito sa May 8. Kaso hindi ako makakasama dun sa launching na yun. Out of town ako. And I'm glad that may mga Honor Magic 6 Pro na available sa mga Honor Store. I first saw this sa SM City Marikina Cyber Zone 2 days ago kasi kakabukas na yung Cyber Zone nila. And ayun, nagkaroon tayo ng chance to see it here sa Honor Store SM City Bacoor. Kung taga Bacoor ka, go here sa SM Bacoor. Pumunta ka dito sa Honor Store at check it out nyo. Matestin nyo kung gaano kaganda itong Honor Magic 6 Pro. Paano nyo maniwala? Bakit ko sa inyo? Ayan o. That's the label. Pero wala pa siyang SRP. That's a blank, hindi siya 888. Pero ang hula namin, estimate namin, kasi closely to the Magic 5 Pro sa 50 plus, maybe baka abot to ng 60 na, I think so. This one is a dummy unit. Dummy yan. This is the live unit. Ayan. Alright, so before I do the buting-ting at hands-on test, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs ng Honor Magic 6 Pro. Mag-tech specs discussion tayo dito sa loob mismo ng Honor Store sa SM City Bacoor. Alright, let's do this. Discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs para at least we get to know more information about this phone. Alright, let's do this. Okay, we are live here sa Honor Store in SM City Bacoor at ito yung tech specs ng Honor Magic 6 Pro 5G. I forgot to mention the 5G kasi 5G phone ito. Okay, for the display, meron siyang 6.8 inches quad curve floating screen OLED FHD display at meron siyang 120Hz refresh rate. At ang kanyang screen glass material is made from an Honor Nano Crystal Shield. Balita ko, matibay rin ito. Pwede rin itong i-grab test din daw. At ang kanyang resolution is 1280 by 2800 at meron siyang 1.07 billions of colors. For the aspect ratio is 19 by 69.9 aspect ratio at 5000 nits HDR peak brightness, 1600 global peak brightness. Meron siyang gesture, control siya, gesture lang sa screen. At meron siyang Dolby Vision technology, HDR Vivid Screen technology. At meron siyang 4320 Hz PWM flicker-free dimming at dynamic dimming rin din at circadian night. Ayan, maganda yung kanyang screen. At meron din siyang natural tone display. Ang pinakagandahan dito is meron siyang TUV Rainland Full Care Display Certification at TUV Rainland Circadian Friendly Certification at TUV Rainland Flicker Free Certification. It means that hindi nakakapagod sa mata itong Honor Magic 6 Pro. It's very safe sa mata natin at hindi tayo mapapagod gamit. Alright, for the specs ng kanyang CPU, gumagamit siya ng Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 at ang kanyang GPU is Adreno 750. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng Magic OS 8.0 based on Android 14. And also its UI, sa phone, it's Magic OS 8.0 na rin din. For the memory, I'm sure sa Pilipinas ito yung kanilang i-offer din, For the memory, it's 12GB of RAM at 512GB of storage. Mamaya check natin yung low na settings niya to check out the memory. Baka meron pa itong extended RAM. Malalaman natin ito mamaya. At for the camera, very interesting yung camera specs. Ito yung kanyang selling point, the Magic 6 Pro. Rear camera is a triple camera. First camera is 50 megapixel wide camera na may OIS, and this is the Honor Falcon camera. At second camera is a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. At for the third camera niya, sa rear camera is 180 megapixel periscope telephoto camera. Grabe, 180, no? Dahil kasi actually may Honor 90 nga parang 200 megapixel nga ito eh. But the Honor Magic 6 Pro, mas maganda yung specs sa kanyang rear camera. So meron siyang 100x digital zoom na may OIS, 4K 60fps video recording sa rear camera, at for the pixel ng image resolution niya medyo malaki, 16,384 by 12,288. Ang laki ng picture na resolution. And also meron siyang EIS at OIS, and that's for the rear camera. For the front camera, gumagamit siya ng 50 megapixel na merong 3D depth camera with a pixel image resolution of 8128 by 6096. It can do 4K recording sa front camera. For the battery, it's a 5600 milliampere battery with 20 volts 4 ampere supercharge. It also can do an 80 watts wired supercharge 80 watts wired supercharge, a 66 watts wireless supercharge. Grabe, ang bilis ng kanyang charging. 66 watts na wireless supercharge, no? Matindi. And for the other specs, it is a 5G ready, dual nano SIM na rin din siya, at also eSIM ready. Doon sa second SIM, eSIM ready na rin siya. Gumagamit siya ng Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, OTG ready, may NFC, face and fingerprint unlock, USB-C port charging and data transfer. Syempre, data transfer. Hindi ka pa sunod yun dito. DTS:X ultrasound sound effect for the speakers, IP68 water and dust resistance. Ayan ang ano niya. Ear jack, USB Type-C, so wala siya 3.5. At meron siyang Honor AI motion sensing capture. That's for the photography. Kahit mabilis yung action, can capture clear, no blurry images. Meron siyang AI privacy recall. It can, alisin niya yung mga voice na noise if you're doing phone calls, and also yung audio rin din na marireceive mo, hindi maririnig din sa iba. At meron siyang all day full screen, parang naka-open yung kanyang display, full screen daw, all day. And for the body colors, meron siyang green, epic green at black, and this is the black. Ito yung black, and this is the parang green, parang vegan leather yung kanyang body. And for the SRP, wala pa tayong SRP, at dahil wala pang SRP, sa May 8 pa yung reveal, hindi ako maka-attend. Dito na lang tayo mag hands-on test. Thank you so much sa Bacoor Honor, SM Bacoor Honor Store at meron sila nito. Alright, let's do a hands-on test at para makapag-vlog na tayo. Alright, let's do this. Alright, this is the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Ito siya, grabe. 180 megapixel periscope telephoto camera. This is the epic green body. Para siyang vegan leather. This one, the black is parang smooth lang siya, parang metallic soft, smooth lang. And let's check out the body first before we do the hands on. This is the display. The display niya. This is a 120 Hz refresh rate, and there's the 50 megapixel front camera, tsaka yung 3D depth camera niya. Ayan. Sa taas is the speakers, microphones, ayan. Sa side is wala, medyo malinis. Maganda yung ganun style, kahit mabarag siya. It reminds me of the Honor X9B, no? Yung body niya, bakal yung gilid. So kahit mahulog mo yan, hindi siya masisira. Sa ilalim is the SIM tray, USB Type-C, and also the speaker. So dual speaker pala siya. Dual speaker to. Yan. Sa right side, it's the power button and the volume. And let's check out the back. So this is the body. Ito yung kanyang camera. The Falcon camera is itong nasa left side. This one is the 50 megapixel ultra wide. This one is the 50 megapixel wide camera. At ito naman kanilang 180 periscope camera. Yung Falcon camera, ito nasa right siya. So ito yung itsura niya. May LED light, may flash, may mga sensors dito. At ang ganda ng pagka... Although mataas yung camera bump niya, no? Pero it's okay. Medyo reinforced na rin din siya. Oh. Bakal na rin din to. And I'm sure matibay-tibay ito. Sana mayroon pa-drop test, no? Okay, let's explore now the phone. Honor Magic 6 Pro. Finally, grabe, oh, panalo. Ganda na pagka-color niya, green, pati yung screen niya, green din. So, it's a 120 Hz refresh rate. Ganda, it's very smooth. Let's check out the settings. Go to the About the Phone and the Magic OS 8.0, Magic 6 Pro, Android version 14, Magic OS 8, and ayan pala yung sasabi ko, the RAM is 12 GB plus 8 GB of Honor RAM Turbo. So 12, ilan yung 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, it's 20 megapixel RAM. Oh, malaki-laki ah. Malaki na rin din siya. And also 512 GB of storage. Ayan, na-confirm na natin. Meron siyang additional 8 GB, so a total of 20 GB yung kanyang RAM. Alright, the most interesting part here, usually this is the camera. Camera yung ating ita-testing. This is for the photo. And meron siyang 0.5x for the wide, 1x for the normal, 2.5 at 5x. And since I have only one hand, can do 100x digital zoom for the photo, no? Let's try natin sa selfie. Selfie. For the selfie, meron siyang 1x lens at 0.x, medyo wide ng konti. Uy, it reminds me of the Honor 90 5G na may 0.8x sa front camera. Ano pa yan, naka-portrait pa sa normal. Iyon, no? Iyon. And for the video, this is a very interesting, naka 60 FPS siya, so I guess naka 1080p 60 FPS. Ayoko siyang i-gawing i-record, no? At sa is 0.5x ang kanyang wide. Wow, very wide ng kanyang video, no, compared sa photo. There's also 1x, 2x, 2.6x pag sa buttons, and also you can do a zoom in natin. Wow, 10x lang for the video, which is okay. Sa other control niya, there's aperture, night mode, portrait mode, photo, video. May movie mode, ayan. Pro mode, ganda ni pro mode dyan, isang click na lang din. At for more, there's slow-mo, panoramic, light painting, time-lapse, watermark, super macro, multi-video, high-res, scan document, at story. Ayan. At nasa tayo? Nasa anong mode to? Parang hindi ako makabalik doon sa isang camera. Ayan. So let's try their pinagmamalaki nilang Falcon camera na merong super telephoto. So I guess let's do a test. Wala tayong makitang subject dito eh. So siguro hindi pa naman sagad to eh. Para masagad to. Hanap tayo ng karatula na lang. Sign. So, target yung ice bar eh. Ay, hindi. Saan na ba yung ice bar? Ice bar. Where's the ice bar? Makita yung ice bar. Target. Ayun. So, this is the... Wow, grabe. Layo. Letter C. Ice bar. So, ito yung normal niya. Ganito tayo kalayo. And this is only 5x. At pag izo-zoom ko pa siya, sayang wala siyang parang control, no? Na for the zoom. Kamukha sa ibang phones, may control sila sa zoom. Ayan. 18x pa nga lang to eh. Ayun. Kahit close up nga lang. Kahit na close up, super lakas. So, yun yung kanyang performance. Maybe I'll do some test at transfer ko na lang yung photo dito. Let's do a vlog test na rin din, no? Para dire-diretso tayo. Alright, I'll do some test and then mamaya gumawa tayo ng performance review. So, I'm vlogging the front camera on our Magic 6 Pro. So, this is the front camera. Naka point X pa tayo. At buo tayo sa 1X lang, normal. At naka-on pa yung ilaw. Ako pa yung flash. Maganda dito, no? Meron siyang active noise cancelling. So, i-click ko tong button na to. Ayan, at mag-iiba yung boses natin. Nawala yung noise. So, this is the active noise cancelling sa video mode using the front camera of the Honor Magic 6 Pro. And this is the rear camera. I think naka-wide tayo, 0.5x. 0.5x tayo. It's a wide. 1x tayo. We're using the 1x camera. Yan. Let's do the 2x. 2x camera. And for the 2.6, ayan, that's the video mode. Ito yung tsura ko. Pala, meron pala ako dito eh. Ayan, kita-kita ko yung sarili ko. And for the zoom power niya, for example, let's target the ice bar. Diyan ako naghalo-halo kanina. Ayan, tayo. 10x tayo. 10x. For the video. Okay, we did some tests, no, using the camera. So actually transfer ko na siya sa aking phone using the Honor Share. Ito yung style for the front camera niya. Tagal ko na yung audio, no. Malinaw naman siya. Ganda. Parang sorry, it feels like I'm using the Samsung pag yung nagvi-video ako ng Honor Magic 6 Pro. Para kahit nga yung Magic 5 Pro, it's similar na rin din na quality. So that's the quality na I'm very impressed. At yung kanina sabi kong kanyang telephoto camera. So ito siya, first shot, second shot. Pa-zoom ako ng pa-zoom dun sa ice bar. Medyo malayo yung ice bar. Although kasi may ilaw kasi, kaya medyo robotic yung pero di, parang after taking some photos, so parang actually expected ko mga blurry. Pero parang na post-process siya yung photo. Mas maganda siya. Ito another one. Op. Another one. Malayo yung shot natin dyan. At ayan. Pa-zoom tayo ng pa-zoom. Ayan. Kita na yung mga tao dun. Layo nila. And I'm targeting the potato corner logo. Although mas maganda siguro pag outdoor ka, natural lighting, mas maganda. Kasi pag may ilaw kasi, nakaka-distort ng image quality. But I'm expecting blurry. Pero hindi. Na-post-process siya. Kita pa rin yung logo ni Potato Corner. Ito yung location natin. We're zooming in. Ayan, ganyan kalayo. Sobrang layo niyan. Ayan, sobrang layo. Ito pa yung pinakasagad. So, ayan. So, that's it guys for our Honor Magic 6 Pro hands-on test dito sa Honor Store in SM Bacoor. So, I'll be ending now my vlog here. So, maraming salamat sa Honor Store SM Bacoor. Pumunta kayo dito and itest nyo mismo yung phone ng personal para makita niyo yung performance ng kanyang telephoto camera. Alright, I'll be ending my vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, kita kids, launching ito sa May 8 na. So abangan ninyo sa Honor Philippines sa kanilang mga announcement. Alright? Alright. Ganda, bagay sa akin to.